The Gooseneck Ball Plate 30K is a versatile hitch that is compatible with any standard fifth-wheel track, making it ideal for towing various types of trailers. With a robust construction, this gooseneck hitch can safely support a maximum gross trailer weight rating of 30,000 pounds, ensuring peace of mind during use. The hitch design includes an offset feature that moves the trailer pivot point back by 2 inches, which enhances the cab gap for better maneuverability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the gooseneck adapter includes a heat-treated ball and a durable black powder coating, making it reliable even in extreme weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with 4 fixed pins that allow for quick setup and removal, complemented by safety chain connection slots for added security. Manufactured by Mepareri, this product combines functionality and durability, catering to the needs of trailer owners who require a dependable towing solution.